think it's too hard to get in shape? Then this video is for you. Learn how to keep fit and healthy lying on a couch. Watch weird life hacks of how to get fit for a lazy person. Meet Miss Smith, a math teacher who's also a great sports fan. She's an athlete and serious exerciser. Besides, she supports healthy lifestyle choices in her students. She wants them to work out regularly to stay in shape. Let's get started with a sports accessory. Make an athletic headband first. Cut out a strip of an old towel. Measure it out to fit your head girth. Cut off the excess. Apply hot glue and fold the edge. Turn it over to the middle and hot glue. Attach Velcro to the ends. During an exhausting workout, it'll soak up your sweat to prevent it from getting into your eyes. Let's exercise like a pro. No one knows Miss Smith used to participate in cycle racing. She won a race once. Come on, Miss Smith, go! The students don't rush to get to a workout. Where are they? She'll have to hurry them up. It's so nice to sit on a couch doing nothing. It's been a wonderful, lazy morning until a ghost of sport appears. Good morning, Miss Smith. The teacher doesn't like to see us doing nothing. She keeps staring at us. Don't look at us like that, Miss Smith. We are frightened. She tries to make us go to a gym. At first, she tries to talk to us. When she fails, she tries to pull us from the couch. No, don't touch me. I can't get fit 'cause I'm lazy. Okay then, there's no student whom Miss Smith couldn't manage to make exercise. She's got a workout plan for a lazy person. It's a lazy warm-up to start with. Stretch your arm muscles while sitting on the couch. Now, an abs exercise. Put your legs on the back of the couch at a 90-degree angle. Lift the upper part of your body. Miss Smith is restless. She looks like a Rambo character. Oh, I've overdone it a little. Calm down, girls. I'm okay now. I can't lie quietly on the couch. Miss Smith put shackles on my ankles. Oh, ankle weights, I wanted to say. Fold a piece of denim in half. Hot glue one side. Turn it right side out. Measure out identical slots. Make each of about 1.5 inches wide. Hot glue the wrong side to separate the slots. Take another little piece of denim. Trim the edge. Attach the denim strip to the other side of the base. Put raw rice into each slot. Hot glue the slots. Take a rubber band. Make sure the rubber band piece is shorter than the fabric base. Hot glue one end of the band to one side of the base. Attach the other end to the other side. Gather the fabric a little and hot glue the rubber band across the entire length. Attach Velcro to the opposite ends. Decorate the ankle weight using an adhesive ribbon. Make another device in the same style. Use these smart ankle weights to exercise while you're doing anything else. Lie on your stomach while watching a movie, reading a book, or liking Instagram pictures of fit bodies. Don't forget to move your legs all the time. Build your glutes and calves. Do your best to get Miss Smith's like for your exercise. I've got another device. What's this? Maracas. Let's make a party. Oh no, Miss Smith says they're dumbbells. It's not for fun, it's for getting in shape. Cut out the bottom and the top from a plastic bottle. Join them using double-sided tape. Wind double-sided tape around the middle. Decorate it using pink yarn. Take a 5-inch piece of a thin plastic pipe. Mark the diameter on the bottle top. Cut out a hole. Pass the tube through the top and hot glue. Color the salt. Put it into the bottle. Make the other dumbbell in the same way. Attach the tube to the other top. Assemble the dumbbell. Fasten the tops with hot glue. Squeeze a lot of glue to the tube to shape a handle. Wrap it with the yarn. Build your arms while watching your favorite talk show sitting on the couch. Do the following exercises during an ad break. Press one arm against the couch. Lift the dumbbell with the other. The next exercise, lie on your back with your legs bent at a 90-degree angle. Put a dumbbell on your legs. Bend and straighten your knees. Be careful to move your legs parallel to the floor to avoid the dumbbell falling. We're absolutely worn out after the workout, but Miss Smith's got a healthy lemon ginger refreshing drink to boost the immune system and aid in digestion. Peel a piece of ginger. Grate it finely. Put a lemon in a microwave to increase the juice quantity. Squeeze the lemon. Add a spoonful of ginger. Pour 17 ounces of water into a bottle. Put in a teaspoon of the lemon and ginger mass. Put in lemon slices and stir. I'm so tired. I can't even open the bottle. But look at Miss Smith. She opens it with one of her fingers. The years of training speak for themselves. Use a drinking straw to make your bottle more practical. Put a drinking straw into my bottle. Pass it through the hole for drinking. Snip off the excess end to make the straw fit the closed bottle. Enjoy your drink. It's as simple as that. My friend's got a refreshing drink and I have something strange. Anyway, it tastes quite good. Miss Smith won't make a bad choice. Pour hot water into a bowl of oat flakes with dry blackberries. Press bananas and mix it together with the oatmeal. Crush walnuts in a mortar. Put them into the banana oatmeal. Add skimmed cheese. Sprinkle with flax seeds. This extraordinary oatmeal with skimmed cheese is extremely good for your diet as it's rich in fiber, antioxidants, and selenium. However, great athletes can also get tired. What should we do to help the teacher? Make a banana coffee cocktail. Peel a banana and cut it into pieces. Put it into a cup. Blend it and add dry oat flakes. Put in a spoonful of coffee powder for your energy. Add a spoonful of honey for a sweet taste. Blend everything again and pour in some milk. Put the cocktail into a clean glass. Sprinkle with flax seeds. Decorate it with a slice of banana. Drink it, Miss Smith. You'll immediately feel better. Will you stop torturing us with your workouts? No, she won't. Oh no! The cocktails increased her power. Everybody go to the gym! The teacher's waiting for us. She says we shall start the workout immediately. Miss Smith can tell us about a healthy way of life as well as her sports experience for a long time. She used to be a symbol of an Olympian once. We're listening to her very attentively. We can only dream of being as successful in sports as she used to be. Jogging first! And now, let's start racing on your buttocks. It looks a bit strange, but it's quite effective for your glutes and upright posture. Sit straight, chest up, abs firm. Move your buttocks and straight legs on the floor. Who will be the first to reach the finish? That one will be the winner. Miss Smith hurries and cheers us on. She cares about our buttocks like her own one. Miss Smith's juggling a few tennis balls amazingly, but they appear to be special balls. Fill a tennis ball with water using a syringe. This ball will fit for a young athlete. It's heavy and not so jumpy. Perhaps one of her students is going to become a shot putter. Who knows? We are hot and thirsty after the workout. It's great I've got a smart backpack to hold a bottle in. My friend likes it very much. She wonders where I got it. It's easy. It's my DIY. Take an old jacket that no one wears anymore. Cut off the sleeves. Fold and sew down the edge. Make sure there's enough space to put cord inside. Use a paper clip to pass the cord through. Pull up, tie knots at the ends. Attach them to the bottom to make straps. Hot glue the bottom. We've transformed an old jacket into a cute zipped backpack. It looks so smart. There are practical pockets in it. I'm the most fashionable in the gym, apart from Miss Smith, certainly. I'm going to fight cellulite with my secret clever tricks. I use a rolling pin and a hairbrush like cellulite massagers. Take an ordinary rolling pin and roll up your buttocks and abs. Get rid of the cellulite quickly and easily. Yesterday, I rolled up dough for buns. Today, I'm rolling up my body to remove the bun effect. It's a cycle of a rolling pin at home. You can use your hairbrush to smooth your hair or massage your cellulite-prone zones. No special massager required. Did you like the lazy life hacks? Write in your comments which is your favorite lazy exercise. Be sure to subscribe, give your thumbs up, and click the bell. Ding! It's time to watch Troom Troom and follow a healthy lifestyle.